Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Edenred Childcare Vouchers. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search Edenred Childcare Voucher Login. Once you make search, you'll find Edenred Childcare Voucher Login and Eligibility. Just click here. Now, as you are already redirected to the official page of Edenred, you just have to look on the top right corner and you'll see Login. Just click there and click on Childcare Vouchers. From here, you just have to enter your account number or membership number and click Next and click your password and just log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.